Good day viewers, on this video I am going to show you how to properly insulate an electrical wire with the use of electrical tape and to make it resistant to water, moisture, and chemicals. Also, we are going to compare the use of electrical tape and the self-fusing rubber tape to insulate the wire splicings. But before we start, we need some scrap electrical wires, PVC electrical tape, and self-fusing rubber tape. You can buy these materials from your local hardware store. Also, we are going to use combination pliers and the long nose pliers for the wire splicing. While for the testing, I will use a digital multimeter and a container filled with tap water. Now to start, we need to splice the two electrical wires first. To splice them, I will make a rat tail joint. If you are asking why we have 4 wires, it is because we will make our 2 rat tail joint so later we can compare both electrical tape and self-fusing rubber tape. On our first splicing, we will wrap it only with the PVC electrical tape. As you can see, I started my wrap on the insulation and then overlap the tape half of its width. And to tighten it, we need to stretch the tape as we wrap. Lastly, when we reach the end of our splicing, we will fold the tape and we will wrap it again, but now in a different direction. Next, for our second splicing, we will do the same steps, but the only difference is that we will use a self-fusing rubber tape before we wrap it with a PVC electrical tape. Now, after wrapping, we will test which of them is the safest to use, especially on outdoors and wet areas, by submerging them on the container filled with water while testing its resistance. So basically, the safest to use is the one without resistance. So in conclusion, the proper way of wrapping an electrical wire is with the use of self-fusing rubber tape before wrapping a PVC electrical tape. That's all. If you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos about random things by Blakbird.